some pissed off flow, son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flow, son.
I see them long, hard times to come.
Ladies and gentlemen, how's everybody doing today? Today's video should be a good one. Not really. All my videos are trash. Anyways, I'm going to actually make kind of my own video about something, but also it's kind of a response video. The Gorilla Biker, pretty sure most people know who he is. He made a video about the Michelin Commander 2 tires. I can't even say them, words. Anywho's, he made a video about the Michelin Commander 2 tires. Now, I'm trying to remember everything about his video in my head. I want to respond about a couple, or one main thing, but then the rest of it's kind of an agreeance thing. Anywho, he has been running these tires, I believe he said, for 2 years. I think he just got his second set put on, maybe. Not 100% sure. Anyways, I've been running the Michelin Commander 2s for about 5 years now. It is the only tire I will ever run. I will never run another fucking tire. These tires are amazing, especially on my bike. I have a feeling there's a difference in bikes and stuff like that, yada yada yada. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the thing I do not agree with Mr. Gorilla. Oh, I want to go that way. Shit. Anyways, the one thing I don't agree with, which is for him, he said the tires are not great in the rain or wet, and he's got them on that Magna. I don't know exactly what size Magna he's got, if that's the 750 or 1100 or whatever size it is, or how heavy it is. I have no specifications about his bike. I only have the specifications about my bike. My bike works great in the rain with these tires. I can still have no worries about laying this bike down as far as I possibly can in the corners when it's wet out. It does not bother me one bit. These tires still stick to the fucking ground. They're amazing. Gorilla Biker, y'all need to go over and check out that video, but just on this specific thing, he said that it gets a little loose, a little greasy for him. I'm curious if it's because his bike is a little bit lighter than mine. I say a little bit, but I think it's a lot lighter. I don't know how much his is. Mine's about 950 pounds with me on it. I do have one of the heaviest Harley Davidsons out there. For the year it is, it's no weight. I don't think his bike weighs that much. But I kind of feel like the weight makes a difference. It just helps me get a little bit better grip in the rain. Now, on to the rest of it. These tires, when you buy them brand new, even when they come with a stupid little film on them, you gotta scrub the film off. Even with that film on there, that film comes off immediately. I can usually get the film off in just a little bit, a few miles. It don't take very long. But even like when you're going to put these tires on, they're fucking sticky. Like already, you can feel them, they're sticky. And yes, I know that film plays a little bit of it. When you get the film off, the tires are sticky. I don't know. These tires are super sticky. That's just all there is to it. They last a very long time.
That's what she said.
I I've been using them for 5 years. I think I just put my third rear tire on. My front's still my first one that I got 5 years ago. It's like no wear on it at all. But my rear, I think it's the third one I've had. The only reason why I replaced the first one as soon as I did is because I got a fucking nail in the tire. So I went ahead and replaced it. I'm one of them guys, you know, you get a nail in the tire. Even though I run inner tubes, I still don't like it. I went ahead and replaced it. And even then, it was only about a quarter of the way used. I still had a lot of life left back on it. But I know I haven't put out a drag racing video in a really long ass time because I really haven't drag raced much because, you know, we just haven't had the opportunity. The cops and it's just been bad, so we haven't been able to drag race at all. But when I was heavily drag racing, and I'm talking every weekend, I'm drag racing, and I'd probably race anywhere from 5 to 10 times a night, do a burn off every single time. So you're talking about a shit ton of burnouts. And then when I race, sometimes I don't catch and I'll spin all the way through second gear, and I bet I still got every bit of 6,000 to 8,000 miles out of that rear tire. I really should keep better track of the miles, but guarantee you, these tires last forever for me. I love them. They're super sticky. I have all the confidence in the world in the corners. I highly, highly recommend them. Captain Granite wants them, but evidently they don't fit on his Victory, because Victory sucks. Sorry, Captain. But if you can't run a fucking tire, then because of something, clearance issues, they made the bike wrong. Because I don't know. I mean, I run a 200 series tire, so of course my rear tire costs a little bit more anyways. But if the Michelin Commander 2 tire fits on your bike, I strongly, strongly suggest it. I mean, obviously it is a cruiser tire. It's not made for sport bikes. They don't make them for sport bikes. Because if they did, I'd put it right on Nicole's CBR. So anyways, that's it. All I really want to talk about was the Michelin Commander 2. If you have a cruiser and for some reason you're searching for a new tire, I strongly suggest it. I know a lot of guys, they stick with what they like and what they know. Y'all gotta stop going back to Harley Davidson and get them fucking stupid ass Harley Davidson Dunlops. Them things are junk. Junk! I said it. I'll say it again. Junk! I said what I said. I don't know why people love them tires. They are not sticky. They wear out fast. You don't get any miles out of them. But these tires last, and you don't flat spot them like them stupid ass Harley tires. You don't flat spot these. Of course, I don't ride in a straight line anyways. I mean, I'm always leaning my bike side to side because I don't want a big giant flat spot. And that's something I've done for years and years and years, and it's just a habit for me to always do that. Don't you do it, you cocksuckers! So anywho's, that's gonna call it for this one. Dizzity done. Hope everybody has had a good week. Hope everybody has a good weekend. Wait a minute, y'all see my videos on Sunday. Yeah, so yeah, hope everybody had a good weekend. I'm in a pretty decent mood. Just real quick, I closed on my house. Bam, I own a house again. It's been a while since I've actually owned a house, so I own a house again. So anyways, I'm done talking. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my ride. Headed over to the Nicole's house. Chill out for a while. So, if you're new here and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, or at least consider hitting that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Leave comments down below, down there. Leave them. Tickle balls. Leave your comments. I get them eventually. 3 to 5 days is when I finally actually start seeing comments show up. I get that's just how it is from now on. Share the video. Share it. Share the video with your friends, your family, your dogs, your cats, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters, everybody. As always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.